Right, gonna test the tractor, but first I need to move this one. Keys. Might help. What? Come on. Right. Now, this one. I've got the tools off of it. This one's got a better seat on it. Should start up. Well, that answers it. It's better, still not quite right. When I left, that steering wheel would have been kind of... well, there you go. Now it's right. The steering's still twitchy, so I'm back it out kind of horizontal across there, so I've got a bit better light. It's a good runner though. If push comes to shove, they want to replace one of these with a quad, so I'm going, if they do, what I suggest to them, they put the engine from this one in that one. That one's got a better transmission in it, even though the reverse pedal for some reason sticks a little bit. So, come on, don't tease me. This one's got a dodgy transmission, and the pedal system down here is all fucked up, so they're not as good as that one. If you push this one, it doesn't, that's it, you have to use this one, it works better. Right, that'll do it. And surprisingly, the lights on these things actually work. Good engine on this one. That one I'm not too sure about. I don't like it. That one up there, that's the best. 3-cylinder diesel. Read somewhere it's like 36 horsepower, somewhere along that. Good tractor though, fun. Even though it has got that little tyre on the front of the deck, that's got a puncture. Slow puncture. It takes a couple of weeks to leak out. Oh, if anyone wants to know, this engine... no, the code's not on that side. Here's the code. It's from 1999, so it's only 10 years old, this engine. And it's got less hours on it than my Briggs at home one. My Briggs is about 4 or 5 years older than this one. No, 4 years older than this one, my Briggs. This one's still got brilliant compression. So, that's about it. Oh, and I broke the cord on the battery charger. I got the plug stuck around one of the wheels on the deck, on that one, and pulled it off. This one, I haven't got my keys, so I'm not going to bother restarting it. It's not this tractor's not as interesting as that one. So, hang on a sec, let's give it a little bit of a, yeah. Some twat drove this into a wall and broke the bonnet. Not bad tractors. Well, when they're new. So, see you later.